In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your document as a PDF using LibreOffice. Whether you're working on a text file, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, saving it as a PDF can be incredibly useful for preserving formatting and ensuring compatibility across devices and platforms. So, let's dive right in and see how simple this process really is. First, you'll want to start by opening LibreOffice on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the LibreOffice icon wherever it's located on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once LibreOffice is open, it's time to choose the specific application you need based on the type of document you're working with. For instance, if you're handling a text document, you would select Writer Document. If it's a spreadsheet, go for Calc Spreadsheet, and similarly, if you're making slides, choose Impress Presentation. With the right app selected, proceed to open your existing document or go ahead and create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Now that you have your document ready, the next step is to move toward exporting it as a PDF. For this, head to the top menu bar and click on File. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Hover over the Export As section, which will then give you additional options. Here, simply click on Export as PDF. This part can occasionally be overlooked, but it's crucial for converting your document into the PDF format. Once you've set up to export as a PDF, the program will prompt you to finalize the process. A dialog box will appear for the exporting options. You'll want to click on the Export button, which is usually prominently displayed. At this point, it's important to choose the destination folder where you want your new PDF to be saved. This ensures that your file is easy to find later on. Pick your preferred folder and then move on to naming the file. Choosing a clear and descriptive name for your PDF is always a good practice, especially if you're managing multiple files. Type in the name you've decided upon in the provided field. Finally, with your file name in place and your save location picked, all that's left is to click Save. And with that, your document is successfully exported as a PDF and stored on your computer in the folder you selected. This PDF is now ready to be shared, printed, or simply opened on different devices while maintaining its original formatting and style. That's it for this task. By following these steps, you made sure your documents are both professional and easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks using LibreOffice tools.